Hello everybody, what is up? Today we are checking out Wish of the Songbird by Enna Alouette. Last time when I checked out Cage of Desire, her voice stood out very much. She sounds extremely skilled, extremely talented, and I am super excited to see what her own original song sounds like. Thank you very much for those of you who commented last time and told me to check this out, because without you guys, I probably would not have even discovered this. So thank you so much. Let's get straight into it in 3, 2, 1, go.
A tale yet to be told.
Okay.
Far away in the realms of both chaos and paradise lived a wandering lost soul, aimlessly searching
Got some
for
storytelling
inner peace.
here.
With past burdens dyeing their tainted feathers, the lost bird is granted a noble duty blessed upon by the divine. One who seeks harmony is obliged to mend the hearts of the many. Only through many will one find true tranquility within. And so began the journey of the lost bird. What answers they seek
Listen to that musical
shall
swell.
unlock a new chapter.
Sorry, I'm sorry to pause it right there, but let's just go over that real quick. That was very I hesitate to say theatrical because it's not like it was super energetic, but it was very narration based. It reminded me so much of the Resident Evil 8 village, you know, that intro sequence and I guess the outro sequence as well, where the I believe Mia is like narrating the story, and they've got the pictures going, that storybook illustration feel. It felt very much like that. I'm excited to see where this goes. This feels like a Disney song, sort of, with just from the instrumental. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk for too much. Let's get back into it. 3, 2, 1, play.
Time flows once more. Return to all the sadness which seeps to my core. I first upon the endless light of graceful stars as I dance obliviously.
She can speak Japanese. Oh. That was
Hear the wish of this song, bird.
that was excellent. That was excellent execution there. Ooh. We're getting darker. We're getting more grim. Oh. I was about to say, like, we've got like near automata harmonics here, or harmonies here, but I was not expecting this techno beat behind it. Oh. I love those harmonies. Alright, I'm gonna pause it again here. Those were some beautiful harmonies. I hesitate to say so confidently, but I believe it was like a harmonic minor sort of a dissonance there, where it's like it's just on the edge of going to that tonal center. That was beautiful beautiful vocals, and that was, I was not expecting those vocals to that beat. I was expecting very much like how in the Near Automata music, like how that those similar kind of dissonance, that similar kind of harmonic minor uneasy tone is backed by a more orchestral setting. This was very cool. It adds its own unique techno flavor to that, which I was not expecting. This is very, very interesting because it's not only a display of her own vocal talent, it's also a display of her willingness to experiment with her composition, which is very nice for an original song. That's very much what you want to see from an original song. So massive props to Enna and the team that worked with this. Let's keep going. Alright, back to the beginning.
Has the weight of all my sins right, a beautiful Lord. Once in between these feathers hid deceit and a sorrowful soul. Ima kono tokimeki wa nitou meno.
Yes. We've got this mystical, jumpy instrumental backing her. Alright, we're building up. Alright, seems like we're building up, but now we're setting back down. Oh, or not. Maybe the instrumental is rising a bit. Maybe we're building back up. Is that the end? Oh, no, we've still got a minute.
This time I'll return to the world with my life and these white wings unfurled.
Alright, we've got like a commentary on the beginning.
Melody of love and light, mending our hearts tenderly. Sa utaemashou, atashi no koi ga kimi ni
Oh, this nice bounce. She hits those notes perfectly.
Wish of this songbird.
Very quietly saying. That was it. That was it. All right.
Come on, lay down.
Oh.
5.
Let's not show that ad, but let's look at the credits real quick. Let's see, we have arrangement, composer, and producer Jairus Cam from Jairus C Music. That was some excellent composition. This song threw me for a loop. I was trying to predict where it was going when it was like rising and falling, and I could not pick up on it, but that's not a bad thing. It felt original. It felt unpredictable in a positive sense. It was unpredictable, but not chaotic. And that's what you want. That's what you want in an original song. You want to show off your originality. And that was very nice. And if we look here, it says audio mix and top lining and vocals. Enna Alouette. I did not know she mixed her own audio. That's very impressive. That's very impressive from Enna. And we got wonderful visual illustration from Zhao. Those were some adorable visuals we got, and excellent editing too from PV Animation Finn. That was excellent work from the lot of them. That was all wonderful. But yeah, when the vocalist started, I was expecting it to go in like a very Nier Automata soundtrack direction, but it it brought on this techno beat, and then it brought on this like mystical, waltzy, jumpy feel, which was, I mean, very much spoke to the theme of the song, which was the hopes, the wishes of a songbird, and that was wonderfully executed. I'm very impressed with how this turned out. Thank you very much for recommending this to me. And in the comments, please recommend me more songs you'd like me to check out, or just more videos in general. Anything you'd like me to comment on, react to. Thank you for introducing me to this. And yeah, this was a wonderful performance from everyone who worked on it, and Enna especially. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.